Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change color palette in Galaxy A05 device. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll so that we have an option of wallpaper and style. Just click on wallpaper and style and we have color palette option here. Just tap here and then enable this feature. So if you want to select this color, you can select this one. If you want to select this color, we can also select this one and then apply palette to app icon too. Now enable this feature again and then click to apply. So as you see, it is now applying and that's applied now. Now go back. As you see, the icon of the apps are now changed and then pull down the status bar. As you see, the color is also now changed. So that's how we can change color palette in Galaxy A05 device. If you want to disable this feature, all you guys have to do just tap again and then disable this feature and then click to apply. Now it will become to a default mode. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.